Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can do print on demand on Etsy, so let's get right into it. Now, I am having difficulties setting up my shop profile or shop manager because I don't want to enter any fraudulent bank information or something like that, or any information that isn't incorrect. I don't plan on selling anything, so at the moment I don't want to enter any of my real information, but I should be able to explain this using my own words, just as with the Etsy main page as the backdrop. So let's get right into it. So when you're setting up your own products on Etsy, you have the opportunity to select what the type of product is or how it's manufactured. You can select if it's manufactured based on items or materials that you've bought, whether it's an already complete product, if you're making it all from scratch. And you can also, within those options, select if you want it to be on demand, so you won't have any inventory. You will create each order as it is placed. So what you should do is select that it is on demand, whether print on demand or created on demand, anything. Then once you have that, of course, when you're setting up your item, you should have pictures of a sample product of what that looks like, the several sizes or anything else of the shirts or any clothes that you would like to create print on demand. And once you set that up, when orders start coming in, those will be print or create on demand orders, which you can then fulfill as the orders come in. So you can create those items as the orders come in and then send them to the customers themselves. And other than that, that is pretty much all there's to mention. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.